How to make money with Flippa. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I have this amazing website for you that allows you to make money by selling and buying different digital domains, digital products, online businesses, blogs, and much more. So let's get into it. What is Flippa? Well, Flippa is a marketplace to buy and sell apps, SaaS businesses, websites, and Shopify stores, domains, Amazon FBA stores. We can do a lot here. Then, of course, there are a lot of different things we can buy and sell. We can also make money with Flippa. So, how to make money? Let's get into the process. Once you get to flippa.com, you will land right here on this website. This is the main website. And here on the website, you'll be able to find two options, either buy or sell. So, in order to make money, we will actually have to sell the affiliate sites or the app or whatever we have. So, for that, you're gonna at the top here and it says sell now, or you can sign up. So, you can sign up using your Google account. Once you sign up, it will take you to your own Flippa. So, now you can see I've signed in with my account. Once you sign in, you will be able to find this search here. So here we can actually search for different types of products. The trending products on Flippa right now are SaaS, blog, Shopify, AdSense, and Amazon. I can even sell an AdSense account here or my Shopify store. So what I want to do is I actually want to sell my Shopify store that I have here, or we can also sell a domain very easily. So with Flippa, there are a lot of opportunities here, a lot of services. You'll be able to even flip the domains, flip the websites, and do a lot more. So we can either go ahead and actually search for different niches, or if you're clear what you want to sell, you can just click on sell now. Okay, so in order to sell your website or the URL or your business, what you will have to do is you will actually have to enter your website here. So first, enter the URL of your website or app or channel that you want to sell. So I will paste my URL here. Click on continue, and it will find the website for you. Choose below. If you have an e-commerce website that you're selling, content, marketplace, SaaS, service, or domain. So I'm actually selling an e-commerce platform. So I'm going to go with e-commerce. So there are different ways to make money. You can even sell the content, for instance, the blogs and stuff. And then you can even sell a store. And of course, you add your listing and you put up a price there and people buy it. Flippa has a lot of audience now. This website is actually gaining a lot of popularity recently because this is very easy to use. You can see right here, very beginners friendly, and I'm showing you, and the usage of the website is really easy to sell something like a business. So here we're creating a listing now, and we have to enter our store name. So my store name is Wina. Just simple information about my business. When did your business begin operations? Okay, so this one I created recently in May. And yes, it was created very recently. Where is your business located? So this is where you will enter your country. I'm going to go with United States. In which state you are. So we are in Alabama. Industry. Now this is where we need to select the industry as well to put up our, business for listing and to sell it to make money. So I have a clothing store. I'm going to go with design and style. Refine your industry. The sub industry is going to be fashion. Perfect. Click on continue. Okay, so now we need to actually give information to Flippa that how do we actually make money with this business. This is really important for the clients and for the customers that are buying our store, because the price we list with on Flippa, it depends on the money we are currently making with that business and that website. So they want to know if it's actually a good business and people invest in it. For instance, if it's an AdSense account, then your evaluation will be done, everything. So same goes with the e-commerce website, same goes with the SaaS businesses and everything. So here you need to add how do you make money? Well, we ship physical products. So I'm going to go with this one and click on continue. Okay, which of these products do you use? According to me, I am selling for Shopify. You can see that it has like everything we want. It's very easy to use. And now if you're selling a business, they're just asking you if you have an Amazon sellers account, if you have a BigCommerce, eBay. So we have a Shopify. That's why I'm going to select this. Click on continue. Whatever industry you choose, you will get something very similar to this. So don't worry about it that this looks easy, but maybe it will be difficult or something like that. It's not. The setup is done. The next step is going to be integrating our store that we are actually selling. Click on connect, and I'll be connecting my Shopify, and it will be added right here. And they will get my monthly performance. You can see some data providers do take some time. We will sync the data in the background. Flippa will automatically update your monthly performance. Now we're going to click on continue. And the next step is going to be the marketing. When it comes to marketing and previewing your list, this is the revenue and the expenses. Now we're talking about the finances. If not, you can provide the annual data. I cannot provide the annual data for now. So they will have to evaluate. The annual revenue of my business is, let's say, 50,000. The annual cost is, let's say, 15,000, or let's say 20. So the net profit is $30,000. This is just like a random data I am going for. Click on continue, and they will evaluate your business for you, and we'll be able to then set up a reasonable price for our business, and we'll be able to make money with this. Expense name, you will actually have to add all of your expenses here. So this is all about adding the information about your business. Let me quickly go through some of the steps that you will have to do. These are finances. Under finances, we have revenue and expenses. Then we will have primary expenses, includes the sale. Then it's going to be marketing, about, media and attachment, and review. Click on preview listing, and it will actually show you what your listing looks like on Flippa. So this is how you create a listing to sell. And you can see it's showing me the price. Then we have the comments, the views on my, this offer. I'll be able to see the watchers, discussions, everything. So this is actually pretty good that I'm selling my business. And you can see this is the monthly profit. Margin is 60%. This is what's showing to the different customers. And it actually looks really good. And now we can even add our price. I can add any price here. I can ask for maybe like, because my profit is 60% and I make monthly of 30,000, then I can actually sell it for, of course, I think a lot. We can sell it for 1 million or 2 million or something, for like according to our evaluation. But it depends on, the price and everything. These are all total very random numbers and amounts that I have added here. So you can see this is how you make money on Flippa. You can literally flip your business domain. You can sell your shops to make a lot of profit out of it. So this is a marketplace for all of our businesses, apps, and to sell your e-commerce websites or any other website that you have. Now, let me show you some of the deals, or let me take you back to the marketplace so you will get a better idea how it looks like on Flippa and how much money people are actually making. So if I wanted to get a free evaluation of my business, I can also get from here so that I will have a better idea that, okay, this is the evaluation. Now you can see this is how people make money. We can go to maybe the content and advertising. Here, people will be selling their blogs and their, data. And now you can see the asked prices. The starting for this blog is 12,000, 29,000, 90,000 asking price for an Amazon KDP with top quality books. Then we have the AdSense for $39,000. This one is 1 million. It's a blog that someone is selling. So you can see how people are making millions of dollars with Flippa, and you can also do this. You can add your starting price, and then you can, of course, make money. This way you will be able to improve your business. And if you were still struggling with this simple task of selling your domains or a website, then Flippa is the platform for you. Some are actually, as a beginner, if you have like a simple website or a simple blog, you can start from like maybe this one is like just $700. This one is $500, the starting. Then there are different collections you can go to. The apps and the SaaS businesses are expensive. They're like in millions. and people are actually making millions with Flippa. So now you know how you can sell your SaaS businesses, apps, and you can sell digital services, blogs, AdSense, Amazon using flippa.com to make money. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.